This puzzle is called the alternating pseudo-antislice face-turning octahedron. As you can see, it looks just like a standard face-turning octahedron, and it moves the same as well, except there's an internal mechanism which restricts the moves that you're allowed to make at any given time. In the base state of the puzzle, you can't turn any face counterclockwise, but you can move it clockwise by one turn. Once you've made one clockwise turn, 6 of the faces are blocked from moving, so the only way to scramble the puzzle further is to move the opposite face, also in a clockwise way, hence the pseudo-antislice part of the name. Once you've made that turn, now you can turn any face counterclockwise, hence the alternating part of the name. And once you do that, you can move the opposite face, also counterclockwise, and now you're back at the base state, so you can move any face clockwise. Besides making the puzzle more confusing to solve, the restrictions on the move also reduce the number of states on the puzzle by a lot, giving it some interesting group theoretic properties. Each of the 2 orbits of face centers and the edges go down from about 240 million positions down to 660 when in the base state, whereas the corner pieces move down from 360 positions, not counting orientation, down to 60 when in the base state. So this has been the alternating pseudo-antislice face-turning octahedron.